Struggling with belly fat? Don't worry. In just 5 minutes a day, you can start burning stubborn fat from your stomach, right at home. No equipment needed. Let's get started and feel the burn. First exercise. Workout 4. Core, obliques, lower belly.
All I recall was a stare that was vacant and cold. Where did the spark go? The warmth that once stole my soul.
Next exercise. Workout 4. Lower abs, hip flexors. Next exercise. Workout 4. Lower belly, core control.
From within your eyes is gone. I never knew they could also light fire gone. How can a heart just forget what's captured in stone? I need to know.
Next exercise. Workout 4. Full core and posture. Next exercise. Workout 4. Upper plus lower abs and obliques. Subscribe for more workouts videos. Thanks for watching.